Plans to develop solar energy system in Fiji. Methodist Church faithful from Nevada visits His Excellency, the President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, and PSC confirms Commander Francis Keen's appointment as Permanent Secretary for Works, Transport and Public Utilities. Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. A high-powered solar energy mission from China will visit Fiji to explore ways in which solar energy can be developed to become one of the leading power sources in Fiji. The promise of a visit by top solar power companies in China was made to Prime Minister Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama, who is meeting with possible investors in the Asian nation.
Commodore Bainimarama toured the Solar Energy Research Center yesterday that plays host to some of the latest solar technologies. The Solar Energy Research Center is completely powered with about 222 watts of solar energy. It's such harnessing of the sun's power that Commodore Bainimarama wants to see happen in Fiji. He told Zhu Xing-song, president of Shanghai Academy of Space Flight Technology, that the Fijian government is committed to developing renewable energy sources because of the need to reduce the hefty fuel import bill. This desire is witnessed in the implementation of solar projects in the rural areas and the setup of 3 coconut-based biofuel facilities. The Shanghai Solar Energy Research Center integrates the research and development and application of solar technology.
One of the world's leading electronic product companies has shown interest in further upgrading Fiji's e-government system. Alcatel-Lucent Company of China is also willing to provide information technology training for civil servants.
The company expressed its interest when Prime Minister Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama paid them a visit this week. Alcatel-Lucent Company, based in Shanghai, specializes in the manufacturing of Alcatel electronic products. The company is no stranger to Fiji, having contributed to the first phase of Fiji's eGov project that resulted in the opening of the new EDP ITC complex in Suva early this year. Products on display that particularly caught the Prime Minister's interest were the e-health, e-security, e-public service and e-education products. Commodore Bainimarama showed particular interest in the e-health application because it is a system that can modernize and improve the provision of health services in the urban centers and isolated hospitals through the use of information technology.
A group of Methodist Church faithfuls from Nevada visited Government House this morning. They met the President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau.
The 27 members of the Methodist Church group from the United States are in the country to hold bilateral discussions with local church leaders. These discussions will be held both in Suva and in the Western Division. Bishop Monridge Brown said the visit is also about building relations with their Fijian friends who now reside in California.
In our region, we have between 360 and 400 churches and fellowships, and many Fijians have relocated to our part of the world and are working, have become active in our churches, and are in relationship with us. And through them, we have become friends of and care about Fiji and its well-being. And in that process, we are seeking to work to help worthwhile projects and schools and other things that the church is engaged in Fiji. We are seeking for ways that financially and otherwise we can assist these schools to serve the country well. We're seeking to be in friendship relationship with people that have become cousins and family and friends through the church.
Bishop Brown said he is very delighted with the kind of reception they have received so far from members of the Fijian community.
This is my very first visit to Fiji. I have heard how beautiful the country is, and those words have been fulfilled. It is a beautiful country. I have known the hospitality and the warmth and friendship of Fijian people already, and that has been affirmed here in many ways. And so overall, a very positive feeling.
The group is also expected to make a courtesy visit to the Prime Minister's office. The group will depart Fiji on the 25th of this month.
Join us again after the break.